Go.
Go. Hi guys, video. Today we're in some Day shirts. It's not our channel, but you should go check out Phenovision, and they have much more channels.
Yes. And I got my scissors right here.
And today we're doing a cutting.
I didn't clean my scissors
show.
today.
So Lizzie, let's get into this. Okay. We're gonna get straight into this. So Lizzie's gonna cut this. Ew! Ew! Ew!
Wait, let's
Keep cutting. Keep cutting. Lizzie's cutting it all the way down. Oh my gosh.
This, guys, this is my funnest day ever.
Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. We have a whole. Oh, there's. Oh, what is this?
Is that Daddy?
No, that's Mom just going outside. Sorry, our dad comes in the middle of the night when we sleep.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! I took my hands into it. It's like.
Oh my god!
It looks like whipped cream to you guys.
Yeah, it looks like cream or potato.
But this actually has little beads on it.
Yeah. This is from Lily's school.
I'm washing my hands.
Lily's hands.
It's okay. They have more on the other day.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at my hands. Hey guys, you can tell that there's little beads.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get it up
Look.
close. See, there's beads. Oh my
See?
hands. Why hands? Covered with. I don't know what this is though.
It feels
But
so
yeah,
weird.
we're gonna go wash up, and
then
we're gonna
we'll-
show you a few stuff that we have. Okay.
Bye.
What? I'm gonna pick this up because that's hard. Come on. Come on. Over there. Who's picking that stuff? Bob, what are you doing? Oh, I know what we do. No, Lizzie, don't eat it. Lizzie.
Why are you turning it around? Yeah, I told her, but that was earlier. That was like, it was like at, oh gosh, that was a lot earlier. You think so?
Okay.
No, she's fine. She was watching TV and.
Okay, Lizzie. Let's go.
Stop. You guys are making a mess. I knew this was going to be this guy. I would have said no to this. Come on now. Let me see your hands. Both of them. They wanted to cut open one of their squishies. And now it's all over their hands and they're dropping all over the floor. And is it all over the table over there?
No. It's just in the bowl.
Okay, keep it in the bowl.
I'm coming. Sorry, pass it back. Sorry, that took a little while. Yeah, this a little rubber, and then we just cleaned our hands, so we're not touching it.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna kick like this. Do not eat. I prefer not to eat.
Yeah.
So on the back of our, so we said one says "Say All Day," and then we have their mascot, which is
And
like,
look at the back of it.
and then it says, Lizzie, get out of the table. I'm gonna show them. Oh, you shouldn't show them because you have their underwear on. They don't want anyone naked. Okay. So look at mine. Mine says we.
No, go.
I don't know what it reads.
No.
What's mine say? So on the front it says, and then at the beginning of every show it'd go, ha ha ha. This will go, and then it says "Slay All Day,"
Work hard.
and then replace.
It says work hard.
I can't.
Work hard and
No, it says. I'm gonna. It said you guys. So I'm gonna see it. So I'm gonna twist that around. And then I'm gonna. So this is actually we slay all day, work hard, then we play harder. What you say? I say that
we play harder. All day we say all day work hard. We work hard every day. Okay.
So they have that new song out.
Yes. You know what's my favorite song?
What?
What about the other side?
That was their newest music video.
Yeah.
It was posted about 2 months ago, 3? I don't know. Tour room, let's go.
Tour room.
So in here, you have our kitchen, our living room.
We did that cutting chair right there. You already saw it.
Yeah, okay. And now we have our kitchen. There's our mom.
I always have to clean in here.
No, she doesn't clean
He's been posting some songs.
frig. We have Fruity Pebbles. We're just renting our house.
Yeah.
We have the dark and scary room. Do you see that? The skeleton on there? And we have... She secretly got in here. No, she didn't. Is that mine?
Yeah.
That's mine. Okay. And then we have our washing machine.
That's how you turn it on.
And then we have a mirror. Whistling all day. Work hard. Okay, let's go. Now we're going upstairs. Make it upstairs. So we're going to introduce you to our mom and dad's bed. We play harder. What you say? If you watched our So Funny. Yeah? What, the gooey stuff? No, it's not upstairs. If you watched our So Funny video, we might have remembered this. Yeah, right, Lizzie?
The next 2 days of summer, we're gonna make a video
Yeah.
in summer.
And
Like a whole month of summer. And then we're gonna do a funny video too.
okay, and we were just bust down, just shining down the hall. School's out. Just so you know, actually, I'm interrupting. And this is me and my friends, not me and my sister, so she's not singing along.
No.
I'm gonna teach her it though. So bust down, just shining down the hall. School's out, see you next fall. Bye bye, teachers can't catch me. We're out here, time to party. We're out, see you next fall. Our teeth are so high. So Lizzie, say bye.
Bye.